How can you give Model Y Juniper rear trunk a different look? Look at the Model Y style dry carbon fiber spoiler. Dry carbon construction ensures it is lightweight and incredibly strong. Engineered using a precise 1-to-1 original mold to perfectly replicate the OEM spoiler shape, it guarantees a seamless, non-destructive installation. Part 1. Positioning, precise alignment. Before final adhesion. Position the spoiler. Gently place it on the trunk. Confirm the center line and edges are perfectly aligned. And mark the boundaries with tape. First, thoroughly clean the Model Y trunk area to ensure the surface is dry and dust-free. Next, apply the adhesive primer and wait momentarily to enhance adhesion. Part 2. Non-destructive adhesion. Peel off the adhesive film. Start from one end of the trunk, carefully aligning with the marks. Apply slow, even pressure to gradually secure the spoiler in place. Installation complete. This style spoiler integrates seamlessly with the Model Y Juniper's lines, providing visual enhancement and increased downforce at high speeds. Its design looks factory integrated, blending perfectly with the vehicle, whether static or accelerating. It highlights the Model Y Juniper's unique sport aesthetic. Ready to maintain the OEM look while boosting performance? Click the link below to get this style dry carbon fiber spoiler and start your upgrade.